Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about wrapper classes in Java language. Okay, what is the wrapper class mechanism? Wrapper class provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Okay, I repeat it again. Wrapper class provides the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Okay. What is autoboxing? The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing. Okay. The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as autoboxing. Okay. What is unboxing? The automatic conversion of object into primitive is known as unboxing. Okay. The automatic conversion of object into primitive is known as unboxing. Okay. What is the usage of wrapper class? We know already Java is an object-oriented programming language, isn't it? So, we need to deal with objects many times, like in collections, serialization, synchronization, etc. We will discuss later in detail about these concepts. Okay. So, in these concepts, we deal with objects. That's why we need wrapper classes. Got it? The 8 classes of the Java.language package are known as wrapper classes. Okay, here these are all wrapper classes. Boolean, character, byte, short, integer, long, float, double. Okay, these are all belongs to wrapper class. Okay. And these are all belongs to the primitive data types. We know already, isn't it? Boolean. The first letter is the small letter. We know already Java language is the case sensitive. Okay. So this Boolean is different from this Boolean. Okay. If we use the capital B, that is the wrapper class. If we use the small b, this is the primitive data type. Okay. And here char, byte, short, int, long, float, double. These are all belongs to primitive data types. Okay. Now let's see this example. Here I have created the class. This is my class name. Inside this class I have created the main method. Okay. Here I have created B, S, I, L, F, D, C and B2 variables. Okay. Here I have used all the primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. Okay. So these are all belongs to the primitive data types, isn't it? And I have initialized all the variables. And here now only we have discussed what is autoboxing. Converting primitives into objects is called autoboxing, isn't it? Here I have created the objects for byte class, short wrapper class, integer wrapper class, long wrapper class, float wrapper class, double wrapper class, character and boolean wrapper class. Okay. So these are all belongs to the wrapper classes. Okay. And I have created the object for each wrapper class. And I have initialized the values for objects. Okay. Here I have given the variable B. So B data type is what? Byte. Primitive data type, isn't it? So what is going on here? Autoboxing. Converting the primitive into the object. This process is known as autoboxing. Okay. Likewise, here this is the object for short wrapper class and this is the variable for short primitive data type. Okay. And this is the object of integer wrapper class and this is the primitive integer data type. Likewise, this is the wrapper class object and this is also the float wrapper class object and this is the double wrapper class object and this is the character wrapper class object and this is the boolean wrapper class object. Okay, on the right hand side we have the primitive data type variables. Okay, so this conversion is known as the auto boxing. Okay, and with the help of the println, I just try to print all the objects on my console. So these are all what? Objects. Okay, wrapper class objects. Okay, and we have now only discussed about the unboxing. Okay, what is unboxing? Converting objects to primitives, isn't it? So here I have created again the variables for all primitive data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. So these are all the primitive data types. And on the right hand side we have the wrapper class objects, isn't it? Byte obj is what? The object for this byte wrapper class, isn't it? So here I try to convert the object into the primitives. That's why we can call it as unboxing. Okay, this process is known as unboxing. Okay, auto boxing means conversion from primitive to objects. Unboxing means conversion from object into primitive data type. Got it? And here I try to print all the primitive values on my console. Okay, byte value, short value, int value, long value, float value, double value, char value, bool value. Okay, so these are all belongs to the primitive data type variables. Okay, let me execute this one. So here these are the output for these statements. The primitive values are converted into the objects. Okay, that is called the auto boxing. Okay, and here these are all the outputs for these statements. Okay, so this process is known as the unboxing. Okay, that is conversion from objects into primitive data types. Got it? So what is wrapper class mechanism? Wrapper class provides the mechanism to convert from primitive data types into objects and objects into primitive data types. What is auto boxing? Conversion from primitive data types into objects. What is unboxing? Conversion from objects into primitives. I hope you all understood about the wrapper classes. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.